Hey guys, Justin here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in your ceiling where a screw or nail has come through the plasterboard, and we're going to do it straight after this. Okay, so here it is. Here's where the screw has started to push through the plasterboard, and it's obviously made this really nasty, ugly kind of bit of plaster that's sticking out. So we're going to sort that out right now. The first thing I'm going to do is just scrape out any loose plaster that's in there. So straight away you can see that this screw is definitely not put in far enough. So the first thing we need to do is just get that screw in just a little bit further. Some plasterboard is put up with nails, so exactly the same thing. Just get yourself a punch and a hammer and just knock that nail in a little bit further. There we go, that's much better. It's going to give me a bit more depth there now to get the filler in there. Going to give it a brush out. Make sure there's no loose debris in there, any bits of plaster or dust. So now I'm just going to give it a bit of a spray. Just with some water, just to give the filler a chance to really bond. And then we'll go ahead and get some filler in there. There, sorted, spot on. So that will need minimal sanding. Once that filler goes off, that's gone really nicely in that hole. Once that's gone off, light sand, and then we'll just go over it with a little bit of emulsion. Job done. Well, I hope this video has helped, and if you've got any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the box below. Also, if you've got any suggestions of any videos that you'd like to see in the future, how to fix this, how to fix that, again, leave that down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.